Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me on the media channel. And we are going to be unboxing a Steelbook of the Best Picture winner, The Departed, directed by the great Martin Scorsese. Now, there is a little problem with this one, the fact that it came damaged. It came in a little dent, and well, I went to try to return it, but apparently this is already out of stock, so it's like in this case, well, you accept a dent or you don't accept it at all. And well, as much as I like collecting these, they don't stay in mint condition forever. So I was just kind of, yeah, you know what? If the movie's fine, I'm fine. It's not that big of a deal. At least for me, it's not. So anyway, let's take a look at this. You see you have Leonardo DiCaprio, Matt Damon, and Jack Nicholson. Mark Wahlberg is not featured on here, even though he plays a very prominent role. You can see that the part right there. I love the new Warner Brothers logo. And on the back, it highlights the winner of 4 Academy Awards, including Best Picture and Best Director. I don't know why they don't put that down here, but whatever. And as you can see, it comes with digital code and just the 4K disc. At least that's supposed to be what happens. So let's open this and let's see what it looks like on the inside, because dented case or not, you know, you want to see what it looks like, because if this is already out of stock, the only way to get it is to go on eBay and to pay an outrageous fine. And you want to see if you like what you see before you spend that money. So there's rats on the back. They're not super visible, but they are there. You know, it just dawned on me, it's interesting, a lot of these Steelbooks cases, they don't put the rating on the back of these cases, and I kind of wonder why. So let me take out the digital copy and let's look at the inside. So there is just the disc. This is an HDR disc, so that's great. You pull it out, and there you can see all 4 of the characters in all their glory, and that's a great little setup. And I love the little X, although I don't know where the X came from. I don't recall the X being prominent in advertisements back in the day. And just to prove it, we're going to have a little bit of an extra bonus here. This is what the Steelbook for the DVD years ago looked like. And as you can see, they emphasized the guns. A little bit more high up there. There's the classic winners. And look, guns on the back. They really emphasized that guns would be in here. And then look, the poster. I love the poster on here. Love that they use the poster artwork there. Like, this is what made DVD so much fun back then. You have all the character pictures from the movie. They even threw in Alec Baldwin there and Martin Sheen. No Vera Farmiga, though. I don't know why. And so not only did they... Oops. Keep that up. Not only did they have the poster here, they had the character posters here. So these are the nice little special features that really make a collector set a collector set. Boy, you'd think I hadn't been unboxing these for a while. So I wanted to kind of highlight that, just not only to give some context into how things were versus how they are, but kind of just so that you can see what makes social media so much fun. This is not a great cover. And again, I don't know what happened with the X. The X was not prominent in the advertisements prior to this, but the gun and how like there's a little city on there, the Boston, and so there's just a lot being said on this cover. There's not as much being said here, even though I guess with the X it kind of hints that DiCaprio is kind of stuck between 2 worlds, if you will. So, and you know, you look at the back end, you see how much more detailed it is. This one's a little bit more subtle, although I do kind of like the subtlety to a certain extent. The old DVD clearly wins in the bonus features round. So here's the thing. Disc aside, if you want the great packaging, you'll probably want to hunt this thing down. But at the end of the day, personally for me, it's the movie that's important, so obviously I'm going to keep this. And I'm surprised I still have this. I think the only reason I kept it was for the packaging. But, you know, so that being said, which edition are you going to get? Do any of you have this? Do you have this? Are you going to get either of these? I would love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.